Welcome, everybody, to Omnisend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase your sales. Now, this week, we continue our attention on abandoned cart messaging. Last week, I talked about the basics like message content and timing. This week, I'll discuss ways to further personalize these messages to not only improve the customer experience, but increase recovered revenue rate. Today, let's discuss splitting your messages based on the cart total. Let's say you're a brand that offers free shipping over $35. The messaging and even incentive you want to communicate to those under the threshold may be different from those above the threshold. After all, the reason they abandon is most likely different. Now, if you either don't offer free shipping or always offer free shipping, instead consider using an average order value or AOV as your threshold. So for those under the threshold, I would probably call out the value adds that likely matter to the shopper, like the fact they get free shipping if they do indeed reach that threshold. After all, most consumers today don't want to pay for shipping, so our goal is to help them qualify for it. You can also add product recommendations or even top-rated products in your messages to help guide them toward increasing that cart total. Again, we're helping them reach a threshold. That's all that matters here. Now, for those over the threshold, you don't need to prominently focus on free shipping. After all, that's not why they abandon their shopping cart. Instead, you can focus your messaging on overcoming potential obstacles to conversion for higher price carts, such as maybe return policies or satisfaction guarantees. Now, depending on your products, you may want to also layer in some social proof to build consumer confidence, such as those around product quality or product fit. And yes, you can split by more than one amount, creating an even better experience. So for instance, you can create one path for those under the $35 threshold, another for those 35 to 74, and another for those 75 or above, adapting your message along the way for each tier and help guide them toward a purchase. Now, one simple automation split based on a single data point, and you can effectively create more personalized messaging and provide a better overall customer experience. Now, join me tomorrow where I'll build upon this, and we'll discuss ways to use splits and how they may impact other elements of your abandoned cart series. So thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing, everyone.